What's new in Android 13 Beta 1? Hey peeps, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you what is new in Android 13 Beta 1. So this here is the Pixel 5, which right now is running Android 13 Beta 1, and the first change you will notice is if you go into wallpapers and style and look at the color schemes which are available, you can now have a maximum of 16 color schemes based on your wallpaper colors, and if you go into basic colors you again have 16 color schemes over here, and they have added some dual tone color schemes as well. So here it is, you can see you have a green dual tone, then you have bluish, and you have a bunch of other options as well. So you have green along with some blue. So yes, they have definitely added some more material you color themes. Then they have also made some changes to the media player UI. So if you're playing some piece of music on your device, here it is, you can see previously the part of music which has already played was a straight line. Now here this is a pretty cool looking animation, and there is no doubt that it does look pretty dope. And let us check out how it looks on our lock screen. So there it is, even on the lock screen it is pretty cool. Once I pause it, it is a straight line because nothing is playing right now, and if I resume it, bam, there it is, you can see a pretty cool squidgy animation is what they are calling it, I think. Then you will also notice that they have added some new permissions. So if I go into the application info for YouTube Music, then I go into its permissions, you will notice I have a separation of permissions over here with regards to access to my files. So YouTube Music, it has access to photos and videos. I can deny that. Yes, I can deny that. I can say don't allow, and other than that, you will also see a section for music and other audio. So I can allow this and go back. Now, what is happening with YouTube Music is that by default, Google thinks it needs access to photos and videos along with music and other audio. But if there is an application which is only, say, a music player, then you can only give it permission to music and other audio only without it having access to your photos and videos. So this is another new change which you will see in Android 13 Beta 1. Next up, if you go into settings and then if you go into sound and vibration, you will notice that do not disturb is back, as in with the previous developer preview build, Google decided to give this the name priority mode, which in my humble opinion was like super confusing. So do not disturb is now back, the options remain the same. Then if you put your phone into silent mode or into vibration mode, and if you go into the sound section of vibration and haptics, herein you should be able to control your touch feedback using this slider, and it works without any issues. Moving over to the display settings, herein if you go into your lock screen settings, you will notice a new toggle for control from locked device. So once you enable this show your device controls, you can of course see your smart devices on the lock screen, and now you should be able to control your smart devices from the locked device, as in from your lock screen. If you have your pin or password enabled, enable this toggle and you can now control those smart devices without having to unlock your device. Other than that, the other feature is if you go into the screensaver settings, you now have a master toggle to enable or disable the use of screensaver, which means that in your when to start, when the option of never has now been removed because they have added a master toggle to enable or disable the screensaver. Next up, they have also enabled the new clipboard feature. So let us say I go into the browser application and I select any text, then I say copy this, bam, here it is, you can see I got a floating window on the bottom left, and I also got the edit button. I can now edit this text which I had selected. I can add anything to it, and it also tells me it was copied from Chrome. And once I've made my edits, I can go ahead and share this text to whosoever I want to. And the other thing is, let us say we try the copy image feature. There it is, same feature implemented. And now I can edit this image and go ahead and share it whenever I feel like doing so. Then a bug which I noticed is if you go into your application drawer, the search here on top is Google search. So this does not let me search throughout my device. If I search for YouTube or anything, it will take me to the Chrome browser, and there it is. This is Google search, but on the previous builds, even on Android 12, this here is the pixel launcher search, wherein you can choose the content you want to search throughout the device. So I think this is a bug, and with the next beta you should have the pixel launcher search back and replace this Google search. Then if you have your developer options enabled and you search the settings for Stylus, Stylus, there it is. Stylus handwriting option is there right at the bottom of developer options, and this is for tablets, and I think Google wants to add support in Android for tablets and the Stylus. Then if you search for face unlock over here, you will notice that you have face unlock options. Tap on them, nothing is going to happen, but the options for face unlock are definitely there. The feature though is not present right now, but we can hope that in the future face unlock comes to the Pixel devices. And then last but not the least, you will also notice if you have your USB debugging enabled, connect your device to a computer, the icon or the system icon for USB debugging now looks like a T representing Android 13 Tiramisu, which is the code name for Android 13 as per Google. Here it is. It is showing up in our quick settings panel as well. Tiramisu, the code name for Android 13, and there it is, peeps. That is what was new in Android 13 Beta 1, and that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares, and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.